How are you doing today, my friends? We are grateful to God that we are alive. We should always remember to do that. Today's tutorial is how to cut and sew cup top. Thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you so much, my subscribers. Please, if you are new to my channel, you are welcome. Remember to subscribe. Kindly share, like my videos. Thank you so much for your support.
So today we are going to make a cup top here. So this is the fabric that we are using to make it, and this is it. As you can see, I folded it. It's on fold now. So we'll do our measurement. Our bust measurement is 32. Our waist is 26. While our full length is 22, and our half length is 15. So the shoulder is 7 is 14, so we are making it 16 because of the sewing allowance. So now we start with the shoulder. This is the shoulder, that is 16. So we divide shoulder by 2, will give us 16 on. So that 16 should be 8. So this is the 8 here. So the full length is 22, adding our sewing allowance 23. I added 1 inch allowance for the hemming. So now, as we are making the cup, our breast to breast in between is 7. So I'm putting 7 here, that is 3.5. So I'm marking 3.5. So I'm marking it to the full length of the top that we are making. So I'm marking 3.5 throughout. So I want to roll it out to have that straight line. So this is it. I hope the chalk is showing for you to see clear. So this is it. So now this is our line, now our straight line, that is the in between. So now we add 2 on this line that we mark 3.5. So I'm adding 2 for where we will get our cup to cup very well. So I'm putting 2. So I'm putting that 2 to the full length of the blouse of the top that we are making. So I have to roll it. So that is the underbust. Underbust is 12.5. Breast point 9.5. So you can see the line. So now we start with our measurement. Our measurement of the bust is 32. So divide 32 by 4. It will give you 8.5. It will give you 8. So now this is 8. Remember to add these 2 that you want to remove them. So add your 2. So this is the 2 that we added that we will remove later, and before you now add your allowance. So now this is the main allowance now. So now under bust is 29. Divide it 29 by 4. It will give you 7 7.2. So this is 7.2. 7.2. So you add your 2, like this 2 that we will remove later. You add it before you now add your allowance. Add your allowance of 2 again. So that is it. So that is how you will do it to your waist line. which is 15. Our half length is 15. That is where you get your waistline. So the waistline is 26. Divide 26 by 4. What will it give you? It will give you 26 by 4. It will give you 6.5. That is 6.5. So you add these two. Don't forget to do that. You add your two because you now add the main allowance. We are still adding 2 on it. So that is it. So our hip is 36. Divide 36 by 4 to give you 9. So this is 9. Don't forget to add your 2 that you want to remove later. You add your 2 before you now add your main allowance, which is 2. So now this is it. We're done with the measurement. So what else is to connect it? So you connect. I'm connecting it now. So that is it. Connect from the waist to the hip, from the hip to underbust, from underbust to the bust. So that is it. So this is the shape now. So this is our shoulder now. So you connect your shoulder to your armhole. So this is it. And you slant. Don't forget to slant it. That's from the shoulder, you slant it. So this is it. I'm just trying to roll it well so that you can see. I hold the chalk, you can see very well. So on the bottom, that is the downside, you curve it. I don't want it to be too straight, so I'm curving the downside. So that is it. It's not very straight like that, as you can see again. So now we'll now connect from our breast point to the underbust. To get our major cup. So from your breast point to the underbust. So since it's a straight cup that we are doing, it's not a princess one, so you just add ½ inch from this line, this center line in between breast to breast point, so that it will have a little shape from there. It will not be too straight. So this is it. So that is how we have connected it. So this is it. This is our cup here. So this is it. So this is how it goes. So we'll do the cutting now. So I finished doing the measurements, so we are cutting. So that is it. So we cut. So now this is the side now I'm cutting. So this is it. So don't forget to notch underbust. So don't forget to notch your underbust. So this is how I'm cutting our cup. So now, please don't forget to subscribe. Try and watch the video again so that you know how to come about this measurement. So this is how it look like now. So this is our front measurement of the cup that we are trying to make out here. So this is it. Let me open it for you to see. So this is it. So by the time you join it, you see how it will pop out. So we are doing the back side of it. So this is the fabric. Just lay the center front and give allowance for the zip side. So also with this, so this how you will do it. So is it. So just for you to cut it out too, but there's no need of doing any measurement again. Just give a space for the allowance for the zip back. So you cut. So this how it will look like. Finish cutting it. So this is it. I'm still repeating myself. Try and watch the video and subscribe. So your subscription will make us to go far. I would like to give you more video.
Gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone, and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody's right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy.
I hope you have made one or two outfits for yourself. Try to cut and sew these styles after watching my videos. I want to see you cut and sew on your own. I have a lot of tutorial videos on my channel. You can watch them now to learn. Please subscribe to Samira Z Fashion channel now. Thank you for always watching. Our love for God moves us to show love to others.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want